Hey, mailbag 21-ish. This will be shot over a couple day period as items come in. So we'll start with this one. Better not cut that way. And what do we have here? I think we taped it in. There we go. All of it. Well, we'll start with this. A ruler. It's got a whole bunch of the different patterns on it. Pads. And I figured this would be a nice ruler to have. Currently, my other ruler, where's it hiding? Ah, there it is. Has the ability to hide. A perfectly clear ruler with lettering like that just blends into whatever surface it's sitting on. It's even worse on my desk, which is black. So this ruler gets replaced with this one. And let's see, what did it cost? $1.43 plus shipping. So put that up to the side. Next item. This is for Pico expansion. GPIO, I believe it is. I really can't demonstrate it with a Pico at this point because I haven't put any headers on the Picos I've been picking up. But let's see. I'm gonna... Okay. Like that. Like that. This should make it a bit easier to learn the Picos, because I'm going to have to figure it out real quick, since a lot of the projects I'm going to work on are going to require them. Not too bad. And of course, solder it all together, and hopefully everything fits nicely. That cost $2.98 plus shipping. I'll put over here the store that I bought all of this from. They did a nice thing. They actually combined the shipping costs. So all of this only costs $2.04 worth of shipping. And when I find a site that does that, I'll pick up a couple of these little kits to do on a day where my mind is nicely numbed. So it's a NE555 with a CD4017. So it's going to be one of those little, let's see if I can get that, there we go, LED type chasers or something. I think they called it light rain or something like that. And it has some the tiny little surface mount stuff. So that'll be an interesting one to play with. Let me just stick it back in its bag. And these kits were 63 cents a piece, plus the shipping. As I said, that was nice that they combined the costs, because it makes those things dirt cheap. I also then bought two of these. They are high voltage ignitors. see what's in here. Come on out. Okay. Oops, get over here. And this is D880. Okay. But essentially what it is it's got a transformer. Push the button here. I think it's 3 to 5 volts in here. And then out to here, zap. What I'm going to try to do is see if it does work. It's probably going to get put beside the barbecue. And they were $1.58 a piece. So I'm really spending a lot of money this time. And out of this bag, the last piece is this. They wrapped them nicely. They're SP1848 27 145s, and I picked up 2 of them. I'll put the stuff over that way. And right off the bat, you would think, oh, these are the Pulitzer ones. Well, no, they're not. Well, not kind of. These ones here, which I already have purchased, are the TEG I 12706. With these ones, you apply 12 volts DC in. One side gets hot, the other side gets cold. These ones are actually TEGs. And if you look at the listing, they call them TECs. And then they also say generating power. So the idea behind these is you apply heat to one side, cooling to the other side, and they will generate up to, I think it's 4.6, or it'll be corrected in here, at a certain amount of current. I believe these are 150 C units, where you can apply up to 150 degrees difference. I saw, though, they kind of recommend about 130 as the maximum. I'll actually do a short demo on this. I'll just clean everything out of the way. Before I forget, they were a staggering $2.38 a piece. And yeah, 4.8 volts, 670 milliamp maximum output. So I'll move this and then I'll show it in action. Here goes the test. Lettering is cold side down there. Already its voltage is going up. And this is boiling water, or it was when I took it off the stove. It's not a perfect fit. So pushing 2 volts. Oops. Now let's just put don't know what I was thinking. I actually picked up one of these in Mailbag 19-ish. So I've assembled this. I've soldered them up. What I did was I actually put this in the first 2 headers, then flipped it over, soldered those ones so it'd be a perfect fit, and then I added all the other ones. So I can now start learning how to program the Picos.